Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to crochet a sunburst granny square. You can make it with different colors as I did in this and this one, or you can make it in one color. It's gorgeous in both ways, or you can even use variegated yarn with this square. What you can make with the square? So granny square has endless possibilities. You can make blankets, you can make hats, scarves, bags, a lot of almost every type of crochet item. I would like to show you what I started. This is a fingerless gloves using this same square, or you can even make a crochet hat. The free patterns you can find on our blog on passionatecrafter.com. I will put a link in the description box below. So let's start with the pattern itself. For the sunburst granny square in the video I am using Paint Box Simply Aran, which is a worsted weight or maybe light worsted weight yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, and I'm using different colors to show you. Let's start. First we are starting by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers twice, insert your hook under the first strap and pull the second one. Then turn your hook a bit and pull the loop up. Then chain one and take the loop from your fingers. Like that. Then turn the ring. Chain 2 and make double crochet into the ring. The initial chain 3 is counted as a stitch. In this case it is counted as a double crochet. Then chain 1. Let me tell you, this granny is made of clusters, so we are making double crochet 2 together or double crochet 3 together to form the clusters. In the first round we are making double crochet 2 together. As I said, this chain 3 is counted as a double crochet and we are assuming it's double crochet 2 together. Chain 1 and now make double crochet 2 together into the ring again. The first double crochet, the second one, and finish them together. Chain 1. We will repeat this till we have 8 clusters and 1 chain between them. Chain 1 and make in total 8 clusters of double crochet 2 together. The third one, chain 1, finished my repeats. I have 8 clusters, 8 double crochet 2 together in total. Close the ring. Don't forget to make a chain 1 after each cluster. We are finishing with chain 1 and join with slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, not on your initial chain but on top of the double crochet. I will change my color, and to make it invisible I'm changing it before the slip stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch, take your second color, yarn over the second color and pull it through the stitch and then the loop. Tie it with a knot. In round 2, to avoid the joining line, we will slip stitch into the first chain space here. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make double crochet into the same chain space. We are making double crochet clusters again. This is counted as double crochet 2 together. Chain 1 and make double crochet 2 together into the same chain space. 1 double crochet, 2, finish them together, chain 1. We will repeat this in each chain space. We will make 1 double crochet 2 together cluster, chain 1, 1 double crochet 2 together cluster, chain 1 in each chain space. Let's make the next chain space. 1 double crochet, 2, we are working them together, chain 1. Then the second cluster, the first double crochet, then the second double crochet, finish them together, chain 1. Repeat this till the end. I finished my second round. It's time to join. We are joining with slip stitch on top of the first double crochet again. I'm changing my color, so yarn over the new color and pull through the stitch, then through the loop. Tie it with a knot. Again, go to the first chain space with slip stitch, make a slip stitch into the first chain to avoid the joining line, like that. In this round we are making double crochet 3 together, not 2. We are making double crochet 3 together into the same chain space. So chain 3 and make double crochet 2 together into the same space. The first double crochet and the second one, finish them together. The initial chain 3 is counted as a double crochet and we are assuming this is a double crochet 3 together. Chain 2 and make double crochet 3 together into the next space here. The first double crochet, the second one, and the third one. Finish them together and chain 2. Again, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3. Finish them together, chain 2. Repeat this till you reach the end of your round. I finished my third round. We are finishing with chain 2. It's time to join with slip stitch on top of the first double crochet 2 together here, not on the chains, not on the initial chain 3, but on top of your first stitch. Change your color again. To avoid the joining line, we are going to the first chain space with slip stitch, but first chain 1 and then slip stitch into the first chain space. Now chain 3 and make 2 double crochet into the first chain space. 1, 2. This is counted as a stitch and we are assuming it's 3 double crochet. Make 3 double crochet into each of next 2 chain space. Here and here we are making 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet into the second chain space. 1, 2, 3. When we have 16 chain space in total, and we have 3 chain space with 3 double crochets in them, and then we have the corner space. We have the 3 double crochet. It's time to make the corner. For the corner I'm making 3 triple, then chain 3 and 3 triple into the same chain space. How to make the triple crochet? Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops, we have 2, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops left. And again, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, then yarn over and pull through the next 2, we have 2 left again, yarn over and pull through them. One more time. We have 3 triple crochet, chain 3 and make 3 triple crochet into the same chain space. This will be the corner chain space. 1, 2, 3. This is the first side. And you just need to repeat these same steps. So in the next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, we are making 3 double crochet as we did here, and in the fourth one we are making the corner, what we did in the first corner. Then again we are repeating. In the next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, we are making 3 double crochet, then the corner, and again in the last side, 1, 2, 3, 3 chain space with 3 double crochet, and in the last you will make the stitches we made for the corner chain space. So this is how you will make the sunburst granny square. I hope that this video tutorial was helpful for you, and if you like this video tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell button so you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. See you in the next video.